Welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. Today we are making Shito maize powder. Why Shito maize powder? Because sometimes when you want to travel with your Shito, you go and you brace. To avoid all these inconveniences, guys, you need to make this Shito maize powder. When you get there, you only need your ginger and your onions and oil, and then you are good to go. Thank you. Come with me and let's prepare it together. For our ingredients, we'll be needing our dry herrings, dry shrimps, chilies, and maize pies. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be needing to make our delicious, healthy Shito powder. Guys, this process I'm using my mortar and pestle, the traditional way. But if you have a dry blender, go ahead and use it. So I'll start by adding my maize pies to the mortar. You can see that the spices is already looking good. So you just go in with your chili. And then that is it. So guys, with this recipe, you only need dry ingredients. So we are using dry ingredients for this recipe. Guys, the ingredients in Ghana is always cheap. So whenever you come to Ghana, make sure you make this powdered maize, Shito maize, and take it with you. I'll go in with my herrings. Let me know in the comment section, how do you prepare your Shito? Do you always blend it, or you also use the mortar and the pestle? For me, I love them. I love Shito best, which is always made pounded in the mortar and the pestle. They are always delicious and they are not smooth, and that is the way I love my Shito. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this method before, or if you have not, and if you are going to try it. Let me know in the comment section. Let's go in with our shrimps. I want you to go to my channel and check how I made my Shito using only fresh ingredients, from fish to vegetables. So go on my channel and check that video out. I have variety of Shito on the channel. Go on the channel and check out all those videos there. So guys, with the Shito, everybody has their own preference. Some people want it smooth, some people want it rough. I want it rough, so I'm going to leave it there. But if you want it smooth, use your blender, or you can still pound it in this, but then spend more time in pounding it to become very also smooth. But for me, this is a yes for me. I'm done. I prefer it like this. Look, the flavors here. The combination of the mixed pies, the shrimps, and the herrings, guys, it's very flavorful. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious shito mix powder. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Adios. Kiss, kiss. And guys, don't forget that after pounding, let it stand for some hours before you bag it, because when it's warm, it's not good. It's going to spoil. So make sure that it's really cool. It has cooled down. Whether you are using a blender or you are pounding it, let it cool down before you package it. Thank you. Bye.